The Verrückt, German for insane, will be the tallest and most daring water slide in the world and is located at the Schlitterbahn water park in Kansas City. The ride will be open for business on May 23rd of this year. The adventure begins at the bottom of the spiral staircase. Riders will have to spend roughly 7 minutes to climb the 264 steps to the starting point. They will get on to a 4-person raft, which then plunges the equivalent of 17 stories or approximately 170 feet at speeds up to 65 miles per hour. The Verrückt speed and height nearly match the specs of a hypercoaster, one in which riders experience what is known as negative G-force. But the thrills won't end when the riders reach the bottom of the massive slide. Using Schlitterbahn's Master Blaster system, powerful jets of water will then propel riders up a 5-story camelback hill before racing down the other side and hitting a straight before eventually cruising to a halt. Some people may call this fun, but the marketing campaign for the slide literally asks, "Are you insane?" The Verrückt will surpass the height of the current Guinness World Record holder, Brazil's 14-story high Insano. To put it in perspective, the ride is taller than Niagara Falls and the Statue of Liberty. With construction almost complete, park director Lane Pitcher said the ride will undergo extensive testing before the public is invited to ride it.